You guys, the Queen Mary is bar none the biggest Halloween festival in Southern California. They have 6 separate haunted attractions here at one location, but that's not even the tip of the iceberg. They got stage shows, they've got all kinds of food and drinks around here, they've got secret bars. Every single haunt's got kind of its own little themed area around it too. And this year's theme is Summoned by the Seas. New for this year is Voodoo, the Queen's Curse. There's definitely some dark arts going on in there that you do not want to mess with. After that, it's Breakout, maximum security. Samuel the Savage has been arrested and he is not too happy about it. After that is Big Top Terror, and those guys are not clowning around in there. After that is Lullabi, which tells the tale of Scary Mary, who drowned in the pool inside the boat. And as per usual, if you've seen a ghost, you gotta go to the infirmary. They've definitely got some sketchy doctors in there doing some stuff that you do not want to be a part of. And last but not least is Feast, the Final Cut. And if you can escape the cannibalistic butchers, then you just might escape with your life. This video is brought to you by the Queen Mary's Dark Harbor, so if you're in the Southern California area, make sure you do not miss coming out here to Dark Harbor. Tell them the Scare Factor sent you. Just looking around at all the incredible food and rides and secret areas that they have out here. In fact, the word Midway is a little bit of an understatement. Like, I would be here for a hot minute telling you guys about everything they have out here. The food is all incredible. If you can think of it, there's a good chance they've got it here. All right, let's check out the opening ceremony real quick, and then we're gonna take you guys inside all 6 haunted houses with us. So without further ado, let's go get scared. Before we can truly appreciate what this voodoo queen has got going on here, I think we have to go figure out what the curse is that she's working on over here. So let's go check out the first haunt.
Oh, there's a lot of voodoo dolls on the wall.
That light won't save you.
We're gonna try.
Just makes you an easier target for the priestess.
Oh God, the floor just moved.
We've been meaning to talk to this priestess.
Then you're on your way.
Whoa!
It's a little foggy.
Holy crap! Oh crap! She spotted us. Oh wow! You don't need to be cursing us. No ma'am. Oh yeah. What's? He's got something on his forehead. Yeah.
I'd like to learn a little something about your future.
Yes.
Come over here then, Monami.
Okay.
Hold out your hand. What is it you wish to learn about your future?
Will I be rich?
That's not going to happen anytime soon.
Darn it! Darn the luck! Die! I don't trust you. I see. That's why. Big snake. Bushman.
Watch out! I get ya!
Yeah, you got me. God. Is that a rat? Ew. Oh, we're getting more demented as we go. Yeah. Yeah, I don't trust you either. What in the world? Ew, what is that? What the heck is that? I don't know. Gross. God, what's in there? Oh, I don't trust that. Ooh, it's a praying mantis. Like that. Oh, she's growing big ones. Ah! Spider! No, 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 no. There's stitches everywhere. Do we not go that way? Maybe not. Okay, I don't want to go towards you. You're gonna curse me. Ah! Yeah. Yeah. There's some voodoo going on in there.
All right, I think we escaped being cursed, but now we have to escape prison here in Breakout. Let's go check it out.
Yeah, that's probably right. What in the world?
Let's go.
Single file. Okay. Into the prison.
File, let's go.
There we are. It has razor wire.
Sound the pigs! The pigs! Yeah, piggy. Can't make an omelet without slitting a few throats. Then I'll move on to some other street mates. Think of them now.
Right up there.
Doing time.
Oh, heck.
Carve out some time. Time to carve. At least you have a bed, Sam.
Somebody there. Yeah, let's go. We're getting out of here. Are we? Okay. I'm going. That way. All right, we gotta get
Some a little more meat.
Oh, hell. The fog. Oh, crap.
Mildly disconcerting.
Oh, crap. Oh. No. Oh, crap.
Oh my.
What is that?
Repent, my dear Father, knows best.
No. I'm good.
Repent for your sins, my son.
Father knows best. Crap.
Father knows best.
I'm done. Oh, towards the wow. Holy crap. Don't trust that prison. You are. Yeah, you bet you feel better now. Oh my God, are we going in the pumpkin? Oh! Oh my God, it's a maze. Oh, it's a pumpkin gut maze. Oh crap. That's a dead end.
Nope.
It goes like a bunch of different ways too. Oh, there's something over there. Oh no. Oh God, they're see-through. Oh God. We're gonna go this way. Yeah. Yeah, that's not necessary. again. Oh, crap. What in the hell? Whoa.
Look, the whole room is swaying.
Oh, that's awesome. That room was really wild.
Yeah, it was. All right, well, those guys were not clowning around here in the Big Top tonight, but you guys have been patiently waiting, so now it's time to head on board the Queen Mary. So this one, I believe, tells the story of a little girl they're calling Scary Mary. And if I'm not mistaken on the legend, she's the little girl that drowned in the pool that was in there. You think we'll see her on this trip? Comment below. Wow, walking over the ocean.
Oh my God, here we go.
You guys see Mary?
No, I haven't yet. Not yet.
Help us find her, you guys. She was last seen by the pool area. We haven't seen her since.
Okay.
Her parents have been looking for days.
Oh my.
Will you please help me find my daughter?
Sure. What does she look like?
She's a little girl with blonde hair and blue eyes.
Okay, all right.
She was in her dress.
Okay, I'll try to find her.
Get away for 5 minutes and now I can't find her. Mary!
Mary!
Where are you?
Oh God. You can see down in the ship in there. Holy cow.
I hear her.
I do too. Oh, it's closed. No lifeguard. They lied. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay. I think that's a lifeguard. Oh.
Oh, that's not creepy at all.
Uh-oh, was that her?
Is that Mary?
Yes. Is that you? Your dad's looking for you?
Can you tell him to come get me, please?
Okay, I will.
You're going the wrong way.
Oh,
That way.
that way?
Go get it for me.
Oh, well, I can't. I gotta go this way. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, okay. Oh, I think there's a Mary down there.
Oh, my.
Yeah. Is that Mary?
Are you gonna stay?
No. No. Oh my God. Wow, there was suddenly 2 of them. She's leading it across here. Oh my God. Ah.
Oh, she's jumping.
I don't
on the
like
bridge.
that at all.
Oh, no. Oh, no. No, let's not fall down right now.
Oh, good night. Wow. I just had a heart attack. Thanks, Mary.
You tried to kill us.
Do not make her mad. Oh, shoot. There she is.
Oh.
I've been waiting for you.
Have you? Yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
Welcome to the House of Horrors.
Thank you.
Where I'm Lullabi.
Mary, that's not nice. Oh, we're in the pool. Wow. That is cool. Yep, they confirmed it. She drowned.
I think she got us.
I think she did too.
So I definitely think we saw Scary Mary in there. Let us know what you thought. Now it's time to head over to the infirmary.
Oh, that looks welcoming.
It's not sketchy at all.
What's our sketch level? I'm gonna give this one an 8.
An 8? I give it a 3. This looks like a reputable place of healing. See, you can hear how happy everybody is.
Oh gosh.
Where are you going?
We don't know.
We're checking in.
Oh my. Oh, you doing? Oh, what have you got going on there? Oh gosh, there's someone watching. Hey.
Okay, sketch level's going up.
Oh God. Oh, that's beautiful.
Don't do that.
That's a heck of a lobotomy.
Oh, no.
Man.
Okay, well, after all those scares, time to go into Feast, the final cut.
The big rib. Oh my.
Get on in that hallway to where we can cut you, cook you, and eat you.
What?
Get on in there.
That doesn't sound fun. Her shadow got me. Delight in every bite.
Did you meet my baby sister?
Oh,
My baby sister.
That's a bush woman.
She was ripping and saying the most beautiful girl in the world. And then she did their faces off at the wedding and
That's terrible.
it's getting more sketchy. Oh Lord.
She didn't make it.
I don't like toilets.
They didn't make it.
No, they didn't. God. Oh, we got some fresh apples. I don't know if I took nothing from him. Oh.
Oh, don't do that. Oh, well. They say that's the best part.
You think it's still good to eat?
Probably.
I think so too.
Crawling.
Oh, he's probably not good to eat. Nah, I wouldn't do
I'm
that.
preparing him for dinner.
Oh. Okay. Oh. No, 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 no. Oh God, thank you. I am not on the menu. No. Uh-oh, they done put us in the freaking meat locker. Uh-oh. Oh, that's not, oh, okay. I thought we were, oh, she's frozen. Oh my God, there's big grinders underneath us. Oh, look at that. I don't know how to go down the ramp. There's people down there. I don't trust it.
I made a mess.
Yep, gonna keep going. This way. God, dang it, double tap.
Hope you guys enjoyed the maze.
Oh,
Speak
yeah.
Easy this way. Speak easy right this way.
Oh, okay. Well, that's cool.
So as you make your way through the hunts, you may come across these little speakeasies that they have. If you're a VIP ticket holder, definitely make sure you stop in and partake in some of these festivities while you're at it. Holy freaking crap, you guys. So that was the Queen Mary's Dark Harbor down here in Long Beach, California. Absolutely massive haunted house festival going on here. I could go on for hours and hours telling you guys about everything that they have here. Once again, we have just kind of scratched the surface. If you want to get through all 6 attractions, I do recommend a VIP or a speed pass to get you through. Make sure you don't miss any of the stage shows. Those are free for everybody. If you do make it out, tell them the Scare Factor sent you. And once again, this video was brought to you by the Queen Mary's Dark Harbor, so thank you, Queen Mary, for hooking us up with some VIP tickets. If you enjoyed this video, I've got the next one linked for you right here. You aren't going to want to miss it. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.